Good morning to everybody. So today topic is job costing. We are already completed short problems yesterday's session. So today we have to pass the we have to calculate the long answer questions. We have to pass through the long or essay questions. So problem number 1, page number F7. Problem number 1, page number F7 in your textbook essay question. We have to solve that essay question. Problem number 1. From the following particulars are extracted from the books and other relevant sources on respect of M.S. A and Co. M by S A and Co. First one A. Estimated material cost of job is 50,000. So here direct materials used is 50,000. Direct material used is 50,000 and direct labor 10,000. Direct labor cost is likely to be 10,000. So direct materials 50,000, direct labor 10,000. Next, second rule B. In machine shop, it will require machining by German machine for 20 hours and Japanese machine for 6 hours. So machine hours we have require 20 German machine hours, 20 German machine hours to complete these particular jobs and 6 Japanese machine hours to complete this particular job. Next rule number C. The machine hour rates for German. So machine hour rates for German and Japanese machines are 100 and 150, which means 100 rupees for German machine for 1 hour and 150 rupees for Japanese machine for 1 hour. So next rule, the direct wages in all other shops last year amounted to rupees 8 lakhs as against rupees 4 lakh 80,000 factory overheads. So when factory overheads are 4 lakh 80,000, then direct wages of previous year is 8 lakhs. When factory cost is 4 lakh 80,000, direct wages of previous year is 8 lakhs. Next rule, last year factory cost of all jobs amounted to 25 lakhs. Total factory cost is previous year's total factory cost is 25 lakhs as against 3 lakh 75,000 office expenses. When 3 lakh 75,000 office expenses, so total factory cost of previous year is 25 lakhs. Make out a quotation with 20% profit on selling price. We have to make a quotation with 20% profit on selling price. So profit 20% means cost of production equals to 80%, then 20% is profit. 80% cost of production plus 20% profit equals to sale price of particular job. So solution for this problem, materials or direct materials already we know 50,000 and labor already given in textbook 10,000. So total equals to 60,000. Here we do not founded any other direct expenses. So total prime cost equals to 60,000. Total prime cost equals to 60,000. Add factory expenses. Factory expenses means total work hours from German machinery and total work hours from Japanese machinery multiplies its rate of hour. So total working hours of German machinery equals to 20 working hours. Rate of 1 hour equals to 100 rupees. So 20 multiplies 100 equals to 2000. 20 multiplies 100 equals to 2000. Next, Japanese machinery 6 hours 150 rupees. So total factory expenses 900 plus 2000. German machinery, Japanese machinery 900 equals to 2900. Next, add other expenses. Add other expenses. Other factory overheads. So जर्मन मिशनरी और जापानीज मिशनरी का फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड्स हो गया. नेक्स्ट अदर फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड्स. सो फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड्स ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर्स equals to 4,80,000. So when direct wages are 8 lakhs, factory overheads are 4,80,000. So percentage of factory overheads calculated on the basis of these on the basis of these information. So 4,80,000 factory overheads by direct wages of last year multiplies 100 equals to 60%. So here factory overheads are calculated परसेंट टोटल क्या बोलते हैं इसको टोटल. सो हियर वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड्स परसेंटेज ऑन डायरेक्ट वेजेस. फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड्स परसेंटेज ऑन डायरेक्ट वेजेस. सो फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड्स का परसेंटेज कितना है डायरेक्ट वेजेस में. डायरेक्ट वेजेस तो 80 लाख है, ये तो 100% माने तो. सो डायरेक्ट वेजेस डायरेक्ट वेजेस 100% माने तो क्या फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड्स कितना आता है, कितना परसेंटेज में पे किया हुआ है लास्ट ईयर. सो लास्ट ईयर वी आर पेड 4,80,000. द परसेंटेज अराउंड 60% इन टोटल डायरेक्ट wages. So new year's overheads, we have to calculate new year's overheads. So these year direct wages we are already calculated 10,000. So percentage of factory overhead cost equals to 60%. So 60 by 100 equals to 60,000. So other factory overheads equals to 6,000. Factory expenses, previous factory expenses equals to 2,900. 2,900 plus 6,000. Total equals to 60,000 plus 2,900 plus 6,000. Total equals to 68,900. This is called as factory cost. This is called as factory cost. So total factory cost equals to 68,900. Next, office expenses. As per information given in your textbook, so last year's total office expenses equals to 3,75,000 when factory cost of all jobs amounted to 25,000. So 25 lakhs. So 25 lakhs equals to 100%. So 3,75,000 equals to how much? So 3,75,000 by 25 lakhs multiplies 100 equals to 15%. Here office expenses are calculated on the basis of last year's information. So what is the percentage of factory cost? What is the percentage of factory cost? What is the percentage of factory cost on total what is the percentage of office expenses on total cost? So total cost equals to 25 lakhs, office expenses of previous year equals to 3,75,000 multiplies 100, then we will get 15% on total factory cost. So these year total factory cost equals to 68,900. So percentage already we are calculated 15 by 100 equals to 10,335. So then the office expenses we will get 10,335 for these new quotation. Next, profit is 25% on 20%. Profit is 20% on selling price. So total cost we got 79,235 rupees. 79,235 rupees. This is total cost of production. Then we have to calculate the profit for this new quotation. For total cost of 79,235. So here profit is 20%, means total cost of production equals to 80%. 80% equals to 79,235. So what is the amount we will get for 20% of profit? We will get for 20% of profit. 80% equals to 79,235. 20% equals to how much? So 20 by 80 multiplies 79,235. So then we will get 19,808.75 paisa. 19,808.75 paisa. This is profit for this particular job. This is profit amount for this particular job. So same total cost of production 79,235 plus profit 19,808.75 equals to 99,043 rupees 75 paisa. 99,043 rupees 75 paisa. This is answer for your question number 1, page number F7.